How to fix microphone not working when a speakerphone in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option general. Now click on general and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back to your home screen and clean your microphone grill with soft cloth or tissue. After cleaning your microphone grill, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. And then slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings and click on general. Now click on transfer or reset iPhone. Again click on reset and then click on reset all settings. Now here enter your passcode to reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.